Imagine this. You wake up in the middle of nowhere, but it's not roughing it. The sun is streaming through your windows, you've got a fresh pot of coffee brewing in the kitchen, and the view outside your bedroom window looks like a postcard from a dream vacation. You step out, the air is fresh and crisp, and there are no hotel checkouts, no noisy neighbors, no deadlines. It's just you, the open road, and an incredible machine that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. For years, when we thought of luxury motorhomes, our minds usually drifted to Europe or the US. We thought about the big German brands, the fancy American diesel pushers.
But today,
that is changing.
fast.
China is pushing the boundaries of RV design, and they've just dropped something truly special. We're talking about the all-new 2026 SAIC Yuejin H500. A big, bold, beautiful motorhome that has been designed from the ground up for one thing: taking you anywhere you want to go, in absolute comfort and style. This isn't just another RV.
This is a statement.
This is the kind of vehicle that makes you want to quit your job, pack your bags, and just drive until the road runs out.
And honestly,
with everything this rig offers, you actually could. Let's start with the first impression, because this thing makes an entrance. This is not a subtle machine. The SAIC Yuejin H500 is built on a heavy-duty chassis that gives it a commanding, almost imposing presence on the road. We are looking at a length of just under 6 meters, which is 5,995 millimeters to be exact. Why does that matter? Because it fits right into that sweet spot. It's massive on the inside, but it can still be driven with a standard car license in most places. You don't need a trucker's license to drive this palace. You don't need special training. You just get in, turn the key, and go. And that is incredibly liberating.
Now, look at the front end.
That bold V-shaped grille with the chrome accents gives it a modern, almost truck-like aggression. It's muscular, it's confident, and it commands respect on the highway. But those LED daytime running lights? That's pure luxury car tech right there. They're sleek, they're sharp, and they give the vehicle a high-end premium feel that you usually only see on vehicles costing twice as much. It's a brilliant design that says "I mean business," while still looking refined and sophisticated. The body is painted in crisp, clean whites with subtle contrasting decals that flow along the side, keeping the aesthetic fresh, modern, and easy on the eyes. Moving into the living area, we find the classic opposite seating arrangement. There's a plush, comfortable sofa on each side with a big, sturdy table in the middle. This isn't just for dining, it is the heart of the RV. It's where you have breakfast while planning the day's route on your tablet. It's where you play board games with the kids when it rains outside. It's where you work on your laptop remotely, answering emails while sipping coffee and looking out at a mountain view that most office workers can only dream of. The seats are deeply padded, the backrests are angled just right, and the table is solid and stable. No wobbling, no rattling, even when the vehicle is parked on uneven ground. But here's the cool part: this table drops down, and with a little adjustment, that whole dining area turns into a massive second bed. It's a proper flat sleeping surface, comfortable enough for 2 adults or a couple of kids. So you can sleep up to 6 people in this vehicle with a drop-down overhead bed above the cab, this lounge conversion, and the rear master bedroom. That makes it perfect for families, for groups of friends, or for anyone who wants to bring guests along on their adventures.
And for entertainment?
They've installed a nice 32-inch smart TV that can tilt out so you can watch it from the front bed or the lounge. It runs on the vehicle's battery system, so you can binge-watch your favorite shows even when you're miles away from the nearest power outlet. Perfect for movie nights under the stars or lazy rainy afternoons when you just want to relax. Plus, the cabinetry is super smart. There are storage lockers everywhere. Just look at the overhead compartments. They are deep and spacious, perfect for stashing away all your gear so the place stays tidy and clutter-free. There are soft close hinges on all the cabinets, so nothing slams shut when you're driving on bumpy roads. And the lighting is all LED, warm and cozy, with dimmer switches so you can set the mood however you like. It's the little touches like this that make you feel like you're in a high-end boutique hotel, not a vehicle. Let's be honest, a lot of RVs have a kitchen that's just a hot plate and a tiny sink. It's usually a compromise. You end up eating out most of the time because cooking inside feels like a chore. But the H500 is designed for long trips, which means you need a real kitchen. You need a space where you can actually prepare proper meals, not just heat up instant noodles. This galley is fantastic. You've got an induction cooktop for cooking without gas, safe, clean, and efficient. You don't have to worry about carrying propane tanks or running out of gas in the middle of cooking dinner. You've got a large stainless steel sink for washing up, with a high-neck faucet that makes it easy to fill big pots. And there's a microwave for quick meals, reheating leftovers, or popping popcorn for movie night. The countertops are made of solid, durable material that's easy to wipe down, and there's plenty of prep space for chopping vegetables, mixing ingredients, or just setting out your morning coffee setup. But the real win here is the fridge. We are looking at around 130 to 150 liters of cooling capacity. That is enough to pack fresh groceries for a proper road trip without having to stop every day for food supplies. It has a separate freezer compartment too, so you can keep ice cream on hand for those hot days, or freeze meat for grilling at your campsite. You can stock up at a supermarket in town and then disappear into the wilderness for a week without worrying about your food spoiling. That is a game changer for serious road trippers.
Now the bathroom.
We all know the dreaded wet bath, where the shower is over the toilet and everything gets soaked.
It's the worst part of many RVs.
You take a shower, and then the entire bathroom is wet, the toilet is wet, the sink is wet, and you have to wait forever for it to dry.
Not here.
You get a separate, proper bathroom. It's a dry bathroom with a dedicated shower area with a glass door, a good-sized basin with a vanity mirror, and an electric flushing toilet with a cassette or black tank system. It's well lit, it's ventilated with a powerful exhaust fan, and the materials feel premium. Think glossy surfaces, chrome fixtures, and modern design. When you're stuck inside because of bad weather, or when you're camping in a remote area with no facilities, having a real bathroom that doesn't feel like a wet closet is an absolute game changer. You can shower, dry off, and step out feeling fresh and clean, without having to mop up water from the floor. It's the kind of comfort that makes you forget you're even in an RV. And finally, the part that matters most on a long journey, a good night's sleep. Because no matter how amazing your kitchen is or how powerful your solar system is, if you can't sleep well, you're not going to enjoy your trip. It's that simple. Up front, above the cabin, is the massive drop-down bed. It's a proper double bed, measuring about 2.2 by 1.5 meters, and it comes with a comfortable latex mattress that supports your back and cradles your body perfectly. You pop the TV away when you're ready to sleep, and you've got this cozy high-up den to curl up in. It feels like a little nest, and the views from up there are incredible. You're elevated, you have big windows on both sides, and you can watch the stars through the skylight as you drift off to sleep. It's romantic, it's cozy, and it's surprisingly easy to access thanks to the sturdy ladder. But the master suite is at the back. A permanent rear double bed. This is huge because many RVs require you to convert the lounge to sleep every single night, which is a hassle. You have to move cushions, drop tables, rearrange things. It's a chore. With the H500, the rear bed is always ready for you to crash. You don't have to do anything. You just walk in, pull back the covers, and lie down. It's that easy. It features large panoramic windows on either side, so you can wake up to the sunrise without even getting out of bed. Imagine that, opening your eyes to a golden sunrise over a misty valley, the birds singing, and all you have to do is turn your head to see it. There's no curtain, no blinds, no obstruction, just pure, unobstructed nature. And you have reading lights and USB ports right next to your pillow, so you can charge your phone, read a book, or browse social media before falling asleep. It's the little details like this that make the H500 stand out. It's not just about transportation, it's about living. It's about enjoying every single moment of your journey, including the quiet moments.
So, what do we think about this beast?
The 2026 SAIC Yuejin H500 might just be the perfect mix of Chinese innovation and global luxury. It's huge, it's capable, and it is packed with the kind of features that allow you to park up in absolute paradise and stay there in comfort for days on end. It might be a newer player in the luxury scene, but it is absolutely raising the bar for what we expect from a long-haul motorhome. It challenges the established brands, it pushes boundaries, and it proves that China is not just catching up, it's leading the way. It brings in that incredible water capacity that gives you true off-grid freedom. It brings in the powerful solar setup that keeps you powered up without noise or fumes. It brings in an interior that feels like a high-end studio apartment, with thoughtful design, premium materials, and a level of comfort that makes you want to just keep driving. If you are looking to live on the road, this is the rig that could take you from the northern snows to the southern beaches without breaking a sweat. It's reliable, it's luxurious, and it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. I want to hear from you. Which feature of this incredible Chinese RV do you love the most? Is it the huge 300-liter water tank that lets you stay off-grid for a week? Is it the comfy rear bed with those massive windows? Is it the powerful modern diesel engine and smooth transmission? Or maybe it's that beautiful, spacious interior that feels more like a home than a vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one, and I genuinely want to know what you think. And if you enjoyed this tour and want to see more of the best RVs and motorhomes from around the world, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We've got so many more incredible vehicles to show you, and you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for spending this time with me exploring this incredible machine. As always, safe travels, take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and I'll see you on the road.